everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing the Aphogee products for damaged hair. I'm really excited about this because this will be the first time I'm actually using this on my natural hair. So I'm really keen to see whether or not it'll help to repair these damaged areas in the crown sections of my hair. So if you're just as excited as me, then make sure you keep on watching. Let's get straight into the review. So I've already gone ahead and washed my hair, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I use the Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. This is supposed to cleanse, gently restore shine, strengthen the hair and normalize the pH. One thing I found about this is that a little really does go a long way. I put probably about a quarter size amount of this, and that was way too much. It has a very good lather, so a small amount of this can last you for a very long time. So once my hair is nice and cleansed, I'm going to go in with the Aphogee Two Step Protein treatment, and this is meant to stop hair breakage, rebuild the hair structure for at least 6 weeks, and it's ideal for whether your hair is processed, if it's relaxed or chemically altered, or if you have natural hair as well. So this is a real protein treatment because it has in hydrolyzed collagen protein. So this is able to penetrate the hair and help to fill in any gaps or holes within your hair shaft and to give it more strength. This year, one of my goals is to maintain a protein moisture balance. I never really incorporated strong protein treatments within my natural hair regimen before, and I have been natural for about 8 years, so I wanted to be able to, now that my hair has quite a lot of damaged hair, I want to be able to make sure that I'm balancing my moisture treatments with a strong protein treatment, and ever so often a light protein treatment as well. So I would recommend that you go ahead and use a spray bottle to apply this, because I have watched some videos where people say it goes everywhere, it's quite runny, and you don't want to get this too messy if you're going to be applying this to your hair. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm just going to transfer this. This is the 4-ounce bottle, so there's not much in here. I'm hoping that this is actually going to be enough for my entire hair, and I've already made a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and just transfer this into my spray bottle, and this would allow it to be easier to apply this to my hair. So that's how much the 4-ounce bottle is going to give you if you wanted to purchase this one, just to try it out before you commit to buying the bigger, more expensive bottle. That's how much you're going to get. So now I'm going to actually divide my hair into sections, just so it's easier to apply the product evenly. This is pretty much what I do for every single hair product that I apply to my hair. Now that I've got the product in my spray bottle, I'm going to just apply this to my hair. And the instructions say to evenly distribute this with a wide tooth comb, and you want to be as quick as you can because the product will dry hard on your hair strands, and at that point you're not meant to manipulate your hair whatsoever because it would cause you to break your hair off. So just try to apply it evenly. Quickly distribute the product by combing it through, and then just leave your hair be. So I'm pretty much going to do that for the entire of my head. I've pretty much decided not to go ahead and use the wide tooth comb because it just feels like the product is hardening really quickly on my hair for some reason. So I don't want my hair to break off, so I'm just going to avoid going through with the comb and just try to slightly finger detangle to get better distribution of the product throughout the hair strands, and then just leave it be. So now that I've applied the Aphogee protein treatment to my entire head, I'm going to sit under my head dryer for half an hour to let this really sink in. At this point, the protein treatment is working to harden the hair and you don't want to touch your hair and manipulate it at all, because that's going to lead to breakage and we don't want that. So just leave your hair how it is. Don't touch it, don't comb it, don't rake your fingers through it, just let it sit. You can either use your handheld blow dryer just to set this with the heat, or you can sit under the hooded dryer, which is what I'm gonna do. So I've just completed 30 minutes under the hooded dryer, and this is what my hair is looking like. Guys, this is rock solid hard. I mean, I am so scared at this point because my hair is just so stiff. The bottom parts aren't as stiff because I guess I could have clipped it up. I was worried about clipping it up and then not being able to get the clip off, so I just left it hanging down. But this is rock solid hard. This is not going anywhere, guys. I'm gonna go straight into the shower, and I will be using the next step, which would be the balancing moisturizer, and this is meant to infuse moisture, improve manageability, softness and shine. And I do recommend always following up the protein treatment with this balancing moisturizer. They are a duo, so I would recommend using both together because they would balance out and complement each other. So just get both. So this is what my hair is looking like after rinsing out the protein treatment. I must say that I was really apprehensive for a minute because my hair was so hard. I was really scared it was just gonna break off. It does definitely feel quite stripped. It doesn't feel moisturized whatsoever after rinsing it out, and it does feel slightly stiff still. So I'm going to go ahead and use the next step, which would be the balancing moisturizer. This is meant to infuse moisture, improve manageability, softness and shine. I really loved how the balancing moisturizer was able to soak into my hair strands. My hair felt so moisturized, and the product had quite a lot of slip, so it was very easy to go ahead and finger detangle my hair. I went ahead and let this sit for 20 minutes under my hooded dryer, and then I thoroughly rinsed this out. Because this product was so moisturizing, it was a very good balance to the protein treatment, and this just highlights the importance of making sure you have a very good protein moisture balance for your hair. So after I rinsed the product out, my hair strands felt stronger, the elasticity was improved, and my hair was soft as well. So afterwards I followed up with a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment. On this day I used the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex Hair Mask, and I sat under the dryer for another 20 minutes with this treatment in. I just wanted to make sure that I followed up this very strong protein treatment with a moisturizing treatment as well to really balance out my hair. After this I used two of my favorite products for my wash and goes, which would be the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk as my leave-in conditioner, followed by the Curl Maker Gel from Camille Rose as well. If you want to see a video on how I use these two products, I do have a video on my channel that you can check out, which I'll link in the cards above. I'm really sorry that I didn't have the final footage of how my hair looked after this wash day. It was just such a long process and I was so tired by the end of it that I didn't film the final results, so I'm really sorry about that. I just wanted to give you guys my initial first impressions of the Aphogee Two Step Protein treatment, and I must say that I really enjoyed the entire process, and I will be incorporating this in my hair regimen every 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm hoping that this would help to repair the damage in my hair over a period of time. So if you guys have tried these products before, comment below to let me know, did they work for you? And also give me some suggestions of some other protein treatments that I can incorporate into my hair regimen, and I'll be more than happy to try them out on my channel once I can find them in England. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a massive thumbs up, and I'll really love if you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss whenever I upload new content. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.